Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Westmount is a well-planned residential neighborhood in the town of Oakville, Ontario. Located in the northwest part of the town, Westmount is known for its family-friendly design, modern homes, and access to green space. Development in this area began in the early 2000s as Oakville expanded to accommodate a growing population moving west from Toronto and Mississauga. Today, Westmount reflects a newer suburban style with a mix of detached homes, townhouses, and low-rise buildings arranged along wide, quiet streets. One of the defining features of Westmount is its thoughtful layout. The neighborhood includes walking trails, parks, and natural corridors that connect different sections of the community. Residents have easy access to outdoor spaces like 16 Mile Creek, which runs nearby and provides scenic paths for walking and cycling. These natural elements help balance the built environment, offering both convenience and a connection to nature. Westmount is also known for its strong community infrastructure. Several schools serve the area, making it a popular choice for families. Shopping plazas, grocery stores, and essential services are located close by, reducing the need for long trips. The nearby Oakville Trafalgar Memorial Hospital, opened in 2015, is a major healthcare facility serving the region and adds to the neighborhood's appeal. Transportation is another advantage. Westmount sits near major roads such as Dundas Street and Bronte Road, providing direct routes across Oakville and towards surrounding cities. Highways like the Queen Elizabeth Way and Highway 407 are easily accessible, making commuting to Toronto or Hamilton manageable. Public transit options are also available, connecting residents to Oakville's GO Transit system for regional travel. Despite its modern development, Westmount maintains a calm and welcoming atmosphere. Tree-lined streets, well-kept homes, and community parks give it a relaxed suburban feel. It is a neighborhood built for everyday living, where convenience, accessibility, and comfort come together in a practical way. Oakville itself is located along the northern shore of Lake Ontario and sits between the cities of Toronto and Hamilton. It has grown into one of the most desirable communities in the region, known for its high quality of life, strong economy, and scenic waterfront. Oakville's history dates back to the early 1800s. It was founded in 1827 by Colonel William Chisholm, who developed the area into a busy shipbuilding and trading port. Its location on Lake Ontario allowed it to become an important hub for timber and grain shipments during the 19th century. As transportation methods changed, Oakville gradually shifted away from shipbuilding and toward manufacturing and residential development. By the mid-20th century, it had become part of the growing suburban ring around Toronto. Today, Oakville is a thriving town with a population of over 200,000 people. Oakville is often recognized for its strong local economy. It is home to a mix of corporate offices, small businesses, and manufacturing facilities. The town also benefits from its proximity to major highways and rail lines, which connect it easily to the rest of southern Ontario. One of Oakville's biggest draws is its waterfront. The town features several parks and harbors along Lake Ontario, including Bronte Harbour and Oakville Harbour. These areas offer walking trails, marinas, and views of the lake that attract both residents and visitors throughout the year. Downtown Oakville, often referred to as Old Oakville, is another highlight. This area features historic buildings, boutique shops, restaurants, and cafes. The streets are walkable and well-maintained, creating a welcoming environment that blends history with modern amenities. Oakville is also known for its extensive park system. With hundreds of parks and kilometers of trails, there are many opportunities for outdoor activities. The town places a strong emphasis on preserving natural areas including creeks, forests, and shoreline spaces. Oakville has a strong arts and culture scene that adds to its appeal. The town is home to galleries, performance spaces, and community events throughout the year. The Oakville Center for the Performing Arts hosts concerts, theater productions, and cultural events, drawing both local talent and touring performers. Seasonal festivals and waterfront events help bring the community together and give visitors something new to experience at different times of the year. Another defining feature of Oakville is its reputation for safety, cleanliness, and careful planning. The town consistently ranks as one of the most livable communities in Canada. Tree-lined streets, well-maintained public spaces, and thoughtful development contribute to its overall character. Whether you are passing through or staying longer, Oakville stands out as a place that combines history, natural beauty, and modern living in a way that feels both welcoming and well-organized. In many ways, Oakville represents a balance between urban and suburban living. It offers access to big city opportunities while maintaining a quieter, more residential feel. Thanks for watching!